So here's one we already upfitted. This one's already got the light bar already on it. And they use some aftermarket steps on there, which we're actually going to be using a different brand of steps as well instead of just the Mopar ones. We're going to get them from a local truck shop here in town. So stay tuned for all that. Alright guys, so the very first thing that we had to order up was of course a lift kit on one of these guys. This is for the crate that you get, a nice little Jeep crate, for the 2-inch lift kit with Fox Racing shocks for a 3.6 liter Jeep Wrangler JL. So here would be the part number that you would be getting if you decide to choose this particular item here. 7707-2395 Apple David. So yeah, you're gonna be getting that guy with the low price of about $1,500, and that has all the suspension components that you need to lift that bad boy a couple inches. And then there's gonna be a few more parts that we've ordered for this guy, and we'll run through them. Alright guys, this is a big old huge behemoth box right here is the tube door kit. Yeah, sorry it's not like really out of the box so we can take a look at it, but you will definitely see it on the Jeep, and I may try to insert a picture in there so you can kind of see it. But here's a part number on this for a 4-door JL, a 7707-2498 Apple Baker. Yeah, that is the dude that you're going to need to put the tube doors on all 4 doors of the new 2020 JL truck, or Jeep actually. And by the way, that 4-door kit is about $11.95 list. So yeah, definitely a good accessory to list in there, man. Alright guys, there it is, the Mopar spare tire accessory kit. So that way you can put the big bad dog tires on there, upgrade that a little bit. Not to mention, okay, tires are already on the vehicle. Alright. He was busy last night, apparently, because there's the Fox shocks on that kit. Remember, 7707-2395 AB, that would be the kit. It's the lift kit for this bad boy. So, pretty good stance. Not terrible. Alright, away we go. Alright guys, so this is the tailgate reinforcement system for the swing gate hinge reinforcement that allows for the larger tire to be put on the back. Because, yeah, you put one of those big old strapping 4x tires on the back of that sucker with a big wheel and everything, that thing's going to add a little bit more weight. So yeah, you definitely want this dude. Part number is going to be an 8221-5356AB. Okay guys, and this right here is the actual spare tire carrier that mounts to the swing gate, and it's all adjustable for the larger tire and wheel combination. So after you reinforce the actual swing gate, this guy will actually install the larger tire on the back of your swing gate. And the part number on this guy is an 8221-5355. Alright guys, so this one is well underway. Still got a few things to do to this one. This one's going to be getting the tube doors we talked about earlier, and it's going to be having the upper lamp assembly above the windshield. And actually, I believe this one also gets the winch, but stay tuned on the next episode. And that's what the tube doors look when they're on. These are pretty cool. That is all factory right there, y'all. So, go ahead and put this little latch down here. There it comes with the strap. All shot. It closes pretty well. Okay, so these are the rock rails put on this bad boy. Pretty cool. That's nice, man. Got a step per door. These bad boys are about 360. 360, 380, give or take. Not bad though.